and one lighter, doing a lighter first. Because if you're doing a darker pigment, it's gonna cancel your lighters out. So we're gonna do the lighter first and let it set. You can go back and forth twice or 3 times, however you prefer. Hey Anas, how are you? Thanks so much for tuning. Hi DJ. Hey Julie, thanks so much for tuning in. Hello, even if you are stopping by, welcome to Glitz Accessory and Such live tutorials. It's brought to you every night, weeknight. Going to Feeling Blue. Looks so strong though, so cool. I'm not afraid to do them all. It looks like nothing. So because this one really pigmented, so I'm going to do just one layer. And all you need is crystal clear. You don't even need anything else. You don't need like brushes or anything. So I am using a piece of paper right there, so then I can wipe off all that residues from my brush before I put it back in. So if you want to create the veins, it doesn't matter what direction your veins gonna be. You're gonna just using the brush with less crystal clear. You don't want to saturate it too much. You just want enough of your crystal clear. Just don't get it dripping and it's gonna bleeding all of your fusioning. You don't want that. What you want is a nice blending softly. There you go. And I didn't do the vein today because we're going to do a cute chamfer foil and double chamfer foil and crystal placements. And I'm going to using it outside. How's everyone doing on Thursday? I'm so excited. And then like we absolutely is gonna watching Mika. Hope she's still here, or she might prepping so then she can go live. I'm so excited what she's gonna do her live video. Something fun. She said I'm gonna do something fun today. Something surprise. Actually, you can do so many colors together. You don't have to be necessarily single colors or like a double colors. You can do more than it shows that. I kind of want to blend it together because we're going to put some chamfer foil on this. So cute. Great. That's it. I am going to ooh, everyone, what do you think about this? That is so nice. Maybe that color. Oh, I like that. I like that. Like that. Yep. You don't have to do this. You can do that angle. Even you can do that angle. You can even do that angle. However you would like with that chamfer foil. I'm going to go ahead and apply chamfer foil gels. Premium eye-hold chamfer foil. It's going to cure in 30 seconds. If you're using a white bottle, make sure you cure for 60 seconds under a proper LED lamp. All right, so cure this one for 30 seconds. Cuscio, they say, okay, that's pretty. The long one, you mean this one, Cuscio? Please, Marie, thanks so much. Thank you, Massey. Hey, Diddy, how are you? Okay, so do you mean this one? This long one? Like along with this. What type of flowers is this? Do you know? Vicky would know. I'm not good with all the name of the flowers though. This one.
Almost like tulip.
It's not tulips. It's something. Do you think it's the orchis? Look like orchis, but it's not. It's probably not.
This flower.
I know. The pink longs, one eyes. Long one eyes. The long one, you want a long one like that? The long one like that. Let's do it like that. Hey Joanne, how are you? Thank you so much for tuning in. Alright, so press this. And I'm just finished with that 2 colors of the fusion ink. And then we're gonna do the chamfer foil on this one. I just get a little bit of it because I don't want to take away from the fusion inks on the background. However, we're gonna do just a little bit hint of this right here. And we are going to do, ooh, that's really cool. We are going to using chamfer foil for butterflies as well. There you go. That is so cool. And I have, let's see what butterflies we have. We have this butterflies. I cut. And that butterflies. We can do her right there. I'm going to double my chamfer foil gel. No, I like that one better. This one's more dramatic. I'm gonna cut half of this again too. And this one. All right, so now I am going to apply another coat of chamfer foil. You can double or triple, however you would like. Make sure you cure it 30 seconds. If with the white bottles, you wanna make sure you cure for 60 seconds. All right, so cure this one. Did you say the long one is this one? Oh, I missed any of you. Crucials. Hey, CNC teacher, how are you? When the foil doesn't chamfer completely, it's because of it's not clear enough or you need more products. It really depends. That is a great question. So either your lamp is not cured properly, which is it doesn't full cure for you, then you probably need to cure is, yes, honey, we have that on our official website. And the 20% off is going on right now. Yep. Thank you so much, Live Ras. Yes, it depends on the lamp. And if it doesn't cure, full cure for you and it's not chamfer it for you, just need to cure it again. And make sure you cure a little bit longer if you needed it because some lamp is not having a like full cure for you. So you make sure that it cure completely. All right, so that, you know what, I like it so much. I'm gonna cut this butterflies. It's right there. This is for any of you doing a double foil. But if you have stickers, you can absolutely doing fun with the sticker. You can combine of stickers and chamfer foil. It is so stunning. Rub it. Make sure you are rubbing it completely. You are very welcome, Daddy. Thanks so much, Live Ras. You see how it chamfers completely? Nothing is left there. It stay on the nails. spill that. Here you go. So if you really like it so much, you don't want anything else, like for instance, if you don't want any like flowers, crystal, nothing, you can just top coat this one and cure for 60 seconds, you are good to go. But we're gonna do, should we do some flowers or yes or no? We're talking about we're doing just flowers. But you tell me what you want and then we can do that. And if we do, we need this one, the condensed glue gels, to apply that crystals. And you can apply all the nails. If you know exactly where you are going to place them, you can absolutely just apply in that spot. But sometimes I'm just like edit more on around all different area to make it fun. Then I will be for sure I'm applying whole entire nails just in case, so I won't miss any spot. So here is no wipe top coat. The reason I apply the no wipe top coat on the top of uncured condensed glue gel, that way it will absolutely cure after we're done, no tacky layer, and also between the condensed glue gels and no wipe top coats will grab your crystal placement in like one place. So I need my crystal pickers. This is so cool though. Even those, I would say so impressed, because even those is like a short nails, but then these flowers stay really cool. Oh, I love this big pearls. Oh, maybe I do it like this. I don't know, I just want the big pearls on it. Here you go, I twist it a little bit. As I said, you don't have to do. Let's see what we can find in this one. We had some crystal right there. This is, you can find easy on our collections and $5 nail arts corner. Here you go. We have question requests for like, can you show us that with funds with $5 nail art? And then we did it for the past few days too. We did with demonstration on my nails and the charms we did. Thank you so much, honey. If you have any further question, feel free to contact us, DM us, or you can email us at info@glitzaccessories and such, and take advantage from like 20% off of the special sales going on right now. With a lot of products, and then is check out that's really fun, like treasure bags as well. It's just so cool, and I have that frame right there. There you go. Do something fun. You don't have to dress all this. If you want to do more, oh absolutely, you can keep on and on going on if you want to. Definitely. I'm gonna keep it flat, and before I'm curing, I am going to squeeze my Precision glue gels, which is that I have it here, squeeze it out. Mine's almost gone. I've been using it for a long time. Lasted me a long time. And I'm gonna using one of the beads right there to put the beads on. Great. Here for 60 seconds.